morning, my name is Dominique Faulkner and the theme of my thematic unit was bugs, titled Bugging Out. I selected bugs because I'm learning firsthand how fascinated young children are with bugs. The TEKs for my learning centers are all based on kindergarten TEKs. My first learning center was a math center, which children were learning how to add and also count and recognize small groups of numbers. The first game I created in this center was called Metamorphosis Math, which is a file folder game that allows students to learn how to add. Each caterpillar on this game has a different math problem, and there's a butterfly that matches those problems, and they would have to add these problems and then find the correct butterfly. For example, this butterfly is 5 plus 4, which is 9, so the students would find the butterfly that matches. And I thought that would be a cute way for students to learn to see how a butterfly starts out as a caterpillar. So it's like a simple way to teach them metamorphosis. The second file folder game I have in this center is called Counting Bugs, and this was just a way for students to learn quantities of small groups of numbers. And it's just a matching game where they would take a little flashcard with just different groups of numbers based using dots. They would count the dots, and once they found out how many dots are on this card, they would find the correct quantity of bugs and just see that 6 dots represent 6 bugs. My Science Learning Center is actually a 2-part center. The first center is teaching on the life cycles of animals and insects using magnets. It was just a way for students to learn the different life cycles of bugs, such as butterflies and ladybugs and frogs. Each piece has a magnet on the back where students are able to arrange the puzzle in order so they can see the life cycle that these insects go through. You can use a magnetic board, but in my case I used a cookie pen just for simplicity. The second half of my Science Center is a sensory table that I created. This allows the students to explore using magnets and see how different metals react to a magnet. There's flashcards to this game. The students will just go through the flashcards and find different items in this bucket and see how it reacts to the magnet. Before beginning this game, the students will have a scientific investigation worksheet that they can fill out, and it just asks them, oh, what do you think is going to happen? What would you need to use this game? And then after they finish the game, they'll be able to tell me what actually happened. You know, what did stick to the magnet, what didn't stick to the magnet. My math calendar board is just a group of activities that I will be teaching my student every morning, such as time, patterns, coin identification, and also the weather. What's it like each day? We would learn, you know, our days of the week, you know, today being what, and then yesterday was another day. They'll learn the order of the days of the week. I want my students to be able to see different ways that we can learn about bugs. So I have some books that are on bugs. I also have a poster that shows, you know, different types of bugs, where they live, and different things about bugs. So through my Learning Center, I'm hoping my kids will learn different concepts of math and science using bugs. Thank you.